Hey guys, it's me, Don. We just got done having a hurricane here in Alabama. This is a tree limb that fell from this tree here in the backyard. Still don't have any electricity right now, but hopefully we'll have electricity later. I guess you can hear in the background one of our neighbors has a generator going. Unfortunately, we do not have a generator. So pretty much all of our food that we have in our deep freezer and refrigerator is going to be basically spoiled. We're hoping that maybe the electricity will get turned on sometime today. I mean, this is like huge. Like, this is going to take forever to clean up. Yeah, it fell, the branch fell from like, I don't know. Well, let me see if I can get a better view, y'all. I'll go around and see if I can get a better view. It fell from right there, if y'all can see it. There's a little spot where it broke. It actually broke 3 branches from the tree broke off. There's the top one right up there, and then there's another one that I can't really see. Yeah. Let's see if I can get a better view. I mean, it's massive, this tree branch. I don't know when I'll be able to upload this video, y'all. It probably will be a few days, unless my electricity turns back on tonight, or hopefully tomorrow. It's still really windy here. I mean, the wind is it's not as bad as it was. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching. See ya. Bye everybody. Peace.